Jeff Bizo, mwele wa itilafu.
They call me Rizzo.
Kama mapenzi yamenoga po, ongezea utamu uzidi hapo. Ijawahi tokea huku kwetu siku kama hii, nikitoka sikuachi kamwe, mara penzi lako ndo dawa. Kwenye jua unifunike, kwenye baridi nikumbatie. Wakuleta mapenzi aliumba dunia, moyo wangu special, kama sina pesa unanituliza. Na ndo hivyo mwenzenu, nimependwa tena. Na ndo hivyo mwenzenu, raha napepea. Na ndo hivyo mwenzenu, nimependwa tena. Na ndo hivyo mwenzenu, raha napepea.
Okay. Yeah, my gratitude to Lord the Father for the chance I'm in, for the best thing in my life, who gave me a better queen. And know how not so better to deserve a better queen. But don't he know how give you thanks to deserve the fee. I'm always grateful for all the time she always makes me feel like a king whenever I'm down, when I lack the feel. When they try to pull me down, but on my feet. She got my back, she gives me love like a super king. She can't do multiply, she never can to join my life. She gave me answers to my questions every time when I taking on my vision, making them to be the mission. And she comes on with the strategy to win the mission. She beautiful, she best to be the vibe too. The way she smile gives me all the vibe too. The way she talks reminds me of the fast too. Dance that to me daily and I fed too. We'll never let her go together, I know we go fine. She got the mind, I got the vision, we go multiply. She matches some of the family, go be one of kind. I pray to God the Father for the grace all the time.
Na ndo hivyo mwenzenu, nimependwa tena. Na ndo hivyo